In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Clipchamp not exporting. So let's get started. So here we are on Clipchamp, and the first thing that I'd want you to know is that I suggest that you try on the browser version of Clipchamp because probably you are using the app version of Clipchamp. That is why you're having some errors because based on my experience, it actually works better if I am in a browser compared to when I'm in the app. Because when I'm in the app, I am experiencing some errors in here in Clipchamp. So I really can't recommend using the app. I think the browser is better and you also get the updated features in here. So if you're having trouble exporting your project here in the app, I suggest exporting it in the browser. And if you're having trouble in the browser exporting, then you can try it in the app. So basically just depending on which one you're having trouble in with. However, you will not be able to sync in your projects. So you'd not be able to do that if you don't have the paid plan because you don't have the cloud backup. So for example, when I open up this project in here from my Clipchamp here in the browser and I go back here into home, is that it will not be saved on my app. As you can see, when I go here into the app, it will not be shown in here, which is a different video actually that I did here on the app. So that's the problem in here. So you would actually need to upgrade so that you would be able to back up your content and then you'd be able to switch it around devices so that you'd be able to edit this both on your browser and in the app. So you would really need this if you'd want that. So that's why I recommend that you do this on the browser itself, just so that you'd have less risk in getting errors for your projects. Now, if you really have it on the app and then you can transfer it anymore, then what you could do is by following this simple troubleshooting guide. First is that you want to go into your task manager. So you want to right click here on your taskbar, go into task manager, and basically you just want to find a Clipchamp right here. So you can click here on search and you can go for Clipchamp. And from here, you want to make sure that you end this task. So right click and end task and make sure it's closed fully. And by the way, before you do that, you want to save it first. I forgot to mention that is very important so that you don't lose any important progress. So I'm going to open it again. So right there, and then open your Clipchamp again. And then you want to try to export it again and see if it now works. If not, then you can try restarting your device and then opening up Clipchamp again and trying it to export it again and see if that works. So yeah, this is basically my guide for fixing Clipchamp not exporting. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.